The first time when we heard about the Comic Con, it was very exciting simply because it is a space where writers, artists get a chance to be heard. And with the awards this year, appreciation from your peers, that was very important. So for me, Comic Con was that. Obviously quite exciting. Also because the kind of feedback that they give you firsthand, it is a different experience. Apart from that, it's quite encouraging. With this year's convention, we have the collections. Mr. Ram Vairkar, who was our foremost artist. We have Adventures of Little Shambhu. Xavier Mascarenhas, he was the artist for that. And Reena Puri, she was the one who created the character. Apart from that, we have a lot of animation films coming up, one of which is releasing, Sons of Ram. So the release date is being announced. And apart from that, there are animation TV serials also. Very exciting, simply because I think we occupy a sphere, children's sphere mainly. We are branching out of that, but it is great to see possibilities around us in a lot of ways. Random or Campfire, the kind of comics that are coming through. I think India has not been exposed too much to comics till now, mainly because of the TV generation, or maybe because they were into books or internet. But because of awareness coming in with something like a Comic Con, a lot of people are interested in comics. So it's a great thing to do. I would say comics are on the rise, mainly because I don't think, unlike how people think about it, that reading habit has been going down or something like that. I feel with every generation, those who like to read will read. And apart from that, comics bridges the gap between, let's say, a film or a book. So a child who wouldn't read, or a teenager or a young adult who wouldn't read, would pick up a comic and go through it. And especially with something like Comic Con coming up, a lot of people are getting aware of what is out there. Like till, let's say, a few years ago, people wouldn't have known about Random House Comics or Level 10 or Campfire. This is a great space for them to be heard. Tinkle, I think, has a special space mainly because of the kind of nostalgia value it evokes for 30 years, and because of Uncle Pai and a lot of good people from then, including Reena Puri, Luis Fernandez. But since then, because we've been given this platform, we have a lot of opportunity to show people what we are capable of, a lot of experimentation. There are 72 pages. So you retain the traditional values, you retain the traditional storytelling techniques like folk tales or classics or tales from readers and writers from across the country. So I think Tinkle has a special place simply because it's so interactive. You read Tinkle and you have a story to tell, you tell it to us, and we'll send it out across the country. I would say two characters, Supandi and Shikari Shambhu. Supandi mainly because I think it is a part of us. All of us have this kind of clumsy, bumbling, oops, we slipped up kind of parts within us. So it's easy to laugh at someone who does that all the time. Plus the kind of literal thinking that he does. It's not something, it's quite inventive in a way, the kind of solutions he comes up with. So I think that is a reason for his popularity. As for Shikari Shambhu, I guess all of us are cowards in some way. You do not want to face dangers or problems or solutions. And if you end up solving them without even wanting to, I mean, what do you want more than that? I like best. I would actually agree with Savio in the sense that Campfire, simply because of the quality of artwork that has come in. Unfortunately, I've not had an opportunity to look through the magazine or through the comic that they've come up with. But the artwork quality and what they've done with the stories, it looks quite interesting. I would mention also Animal Palette. That looks really nice. When the nominations or when we were asked to select magazines for the publication of the year, for me, Holiday Special was a very natural choice, and especially the October Holiday Special, because I took over from September onwards, and that was my first Holiday Special. And a lot of hard work went into that because the team was really geared to give their best at that time. We had a lot of stories. For example, we had a Tumai of the Elephants that's based on a Kipling story from the Jungle Book. So we adapted that, and it was given to Arijit Datta Chaudhary, who did a wonderful job with the illustrations. So Holiday Special gives us the space to experiment with longer forms of stories, with different kinds of stories that we wouldn't normally put in a Tinkle. So that is the feedback that we get, and based on a Holiday Special, we could take newer stories in the magazine too. So that was the decision that came about. I think it's already happening, mainly because I would say internet mainly is responsible for it. And you have iPads coming in, you have animation, you have TV. So I feel characters stepping out of the pages into, let's say, an animation film is interesting. You see an animation film and you want to know what happened earlier, which stories came earlier. Then you have an iPad coming right now. So anyone who doesn't know to operate a computer can operate an iPad. So you have back issues happening on there. You have comics released on iPad. So I think comics is on the rise. At the Comic Con, I think in the last 2 years you have covered mainly most of the bases. Maybe next year I would like to see more international artists or writers. That would be a great experience, simply because of the kind of learnings that we all can take from them. Fans I hate the term fans actually. It's basically readers who love comics, due to which we exist, and the more fans or more readers that they are, the more writers or stories that we can come up with. Comic book character, actually internationally it would be Batman. I used to like Phantom simply because that was one of the first comics I read. Over here, it's Defective Detectives from Tinkle, because of the bubbling nature and the kind of craziness that goes on over there. The next year, there are a lot of plans. Like Savio said, a lot of launches are happening. In Amar Chitra Katha, there is the Anant Pai comic that is getting launched today. And apart from that, Amar Chitra Katha is also experimenting in a lot of ways. It's trying some graphic styles for things like Tenzing Norgay. Then you have animation films, as I mentioned, Sons of Ram, and some animation series that are happening. Supandi is taking a step into the TV world that way.